And I don't know, but it was very true because it was quite vivid in my brain. Anyway, continue.
Right.
Jesus Christ, that scared the fuck out of me. Scared the fuck out of me, dude. Ah, oh my God. I've never heard knocking like that in my head before. Oh my God. My name is Dave Sarra. If you like the things I do on the show, you can go to my YouTube channel and follow me. I do a lot of the same things. You can follow me on Twitter where Jesus Christ. I can't get over it. It's so loud in my ear, dude. Jesus. Go to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitter, please.
Cases. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, here's the cup. Here's a